Mumbai, the commercial hub of India, is one of the emerging and leading cities of the world. Since 2007, Mumbai has been in the limelight for hosting 4 consecutive editions of the annual 10-day International Islamic Peace Conference and Exhibition organized by the Islamic Research Foundation at the 35-acre expanse of open land, the Somaiya Ground, the largest and ideal location in Mumbai for such large international summits. The preparation and planning for the Peace Conference 2010 was envisaged and executed over a short span of less than a month available prior to the event. The 35-acre Somaiya Ground was hired for 4 weeks. The temporary structures erected on it in a mere span of 2 weeks. The event conducted at the bustling ground over 10 days, and post-event the structures dismantled in 4 days. It was indeed a gigantic endeavor, building a temporary yet magnificent setup for the proposed event on a barren land. Skilled and dedicated workers, technicians, set and decor specialists, art directors, visualizers and designers, among others, worked round the clock to transform the calm environs of the location into a global kaleidoscopic landscape for promoting Islam and peace. People from various socio-cultural backgrounds from India and abroad turned up in large numbers to witness the conference. Entry fee was free. Registrations were quick. Over the years, the peace conferences have seen some of the most high-profile international personalities and scholars on Islam attend and interact with the audiences, such as Abdur Rahim Green, UK, Yasir Fazaga, USA, Yasir Qadhi, USA, Hussein Yi, Malaysia, Dr. Bilal Phillips, Qatar, Dr. Jamal Badawi, Canada, Salim Al-Amri, UAE, Dr. Jafar Idris, Sudan, and Asim Al-Hakim, Saudi Arabia, to name a few, who delivered lectures followed by open questions and answers. The Peace Conference is a rare platform for the scholars and academicians gracing the conference to present their intellectual yet practical solutions to global issues affecting Islam and humanity at large. Hence, the conference does not see mere passionate sermons being delivered by emotionally charged and rhetoric leaders, but well-researched academic and insightful solutions for individuals, communities, governments and administrations to implement. The 4th Annual Peace Conference was addressed by renowned Urdu scholars and academia from different parts of India and several countries, including UK, Saudi Arabia and UAE, among others. The International Islamic Peace Conference 2010 was a 10-day grand affair starting on Friday, October 22, 2010 and going on till Sunday, October 31, 2010. It came at the backdrop of the global concern among Muslims over relating all forms of terrorism to Islam and jihad. The Peace Conference and its renowned speakers addressed some of the burning issues that face the world, striving to explore and suggest solutions for global peace. Solutions from within Islam were highlighted. For the safety and security of all present at the venue, a meticulously planned security system was in place, adequately manned and monitored with state-of-the-art equipment and technology. Impeccable hospitality, care and facilities for the distinguished invited speakers and the guests were provided under the overall direction and supervision of Dr. Zakir Naik, the visionary and architect behind the conference. For understanding and appreciating Islam at the Peace Conference, a permanent 10-day exhibition on Islam, Vision for Peace was featured in AC pavilions, having a display of over 300 panels on Islamic faith and tenets with reference from the glorious Quran and Hadith, as well as 50 model displays on Islam. Trained and eloquent volunteers explained, In English and Urdu, the importance of the message of Islam portrayed in the panels, as well as the relevance of the model displays to the eager-to-know visitors coming daily in large numbers over the 10 days from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Huge and enthusiastic gathering of Muslims from India and abroad attended the Jummah Khutbah and Salah in Jamaat, led by Dr. Uthman As-Siddiqui, the former Imam of Masjid Al-Khaif, Mina, adjoining Makkah in Saudi Arabia.
Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim, Maliki Yawmiddin, Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in, Ihdina as-sirata al-mustaqim, Sirata alladhina an'amta alayhim ghayril maghdubi alayhim waladdallin.
On the opening day itself, there was a press conference where the media fraternity of Mumbai had gathered to hear and know about the objective of the conference and put forward their queries to the distinguished speakers present before them. The focus of the 10-day International Islamic Peace Conference was to revive the knowledge, awareness and understanding of Islam and its message of peace for the entire humanity. This time in the